Hello everybody, welcome back to Cork and Java. We got this really nice Bordeaux we are going to be trying today. But this video really isn't about the wine and the Bordeaux. We're getting a little sciencey, aren't we?
Yes.
Or should I say magic-y? Because this is the Magic Decanter Deluxe Aerator set that we are going to be unboxing and seeing how it compares with an unaerated wine, just normal pour that hasn't breathed at all. We can't really compare it directly to a decanter, but we can test it against just the all-natural setting. So let's give it a shot. Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com. I'm Billy, and this is Brendan. We all know you're supposed to get joy and fascination from even the little things in life that most people take for granted. So here at Cork and Java, we're here to expand and enrich your experience with all of your favorite beverages through coffee and wine, reviews, and how-tos like this one. So if you're new here, consider smashing that subscribe button down below so you're notified when our future videos come out.
And hit the little bell.
Yes, hit the little bell too. All right, the Magic Decanter Aerator set. It's not really a decanter per se, because this is supposed to aerate your wine instantly.
Yes.
And a little bit of full disclosure, we were sent this, so we did not pay for it, but we will still give it an honest review. If you're brave enough to send us stuff, it better be good stuff, because if it's not, we're just gonna say it's not, so. We will see how this fares, and we're going to be comparing it just from a normal pour out of the bottle to the pour out of the decanter set.
These are the instructions.
Okay, everything seems to be packaged really well. This is actually really cool. It's almost like a magnifying lens. I think it's plastic, but it is got some heft to it. Or is this glass? I can't tell. I think it's like a very hard plastic.
I'm not sure.
But it's a lot heavier than plastic, which is kind of throwing me through a loop here. I mean, I guess it might be glass. I'm not sure. Oh, it's got a little strainer. So if you got sediment in your glass, this will catch it, which is a nice feature. So what do the instructions say there, bartender Bryn?
Okay, it is very easy to use. Simply hold Magic Decanter, avoiding the air tubes, above a glass or decanter, and pour your wine through. To avoid drips after use, gently shake Magic Decanter and place it in the stand.
Okay, here's the holding bag thing.
Oh, that's nice. For storage?
Yeah. This is already a lot more aesthetic than I was expecting. This is almost something that you can keep out in the open, and it still looks nice.
Oh, all parts are dishwasher safe, but may be scratched by hand washing with abrasive pads.
Huh.
A machine washable travel pouch is included, so you can take Magic Decanter with you wherever you enjoy wine.
Oh, it looks like it goes down in there.
It says, please wash or rinse prior to initial use. Let's see.
Why don't you go rinse this real quick then?
Yeah.
Oh, we got it all rinsed.
Yes.
It just fits in there like that.
All right.
And yeah, let's open this bad boy up.
Okay. So first we're just gonna take a sip
Yeah.
as is, and then see if we notice a difference.
I'm excited about this Bordeaux. Yeah, it's got 30% Cab Franc, 25% Cabernet Sauvignon, and 5% Petit Verdot, and 5% Malbec. And I love Cab Franc, and I love old world style wines, especially Bordeaux. Yeah, kind of on a kick right now.
I think we're always on a kick for old world wines. I think that tends to be our affinity.
For at least our bolder reds, that's what we gravitate towards usually. All right. So yeah, we'll give this a little try. First, just plain old, out of the bottle. No decanting. No aerating, and I'm not even gonna make sure it's a very hard pour either. Just kind of a nice soft pour there. All right, let's give it a sniffy sniff. Ooh, that's good. I get a lot of blackberry.
Mm-hmm. It's earthy smelling.
Yeah, I kind of get like almost like a leather jacket kind of smell to it.
Yeah, it's not like a super fruity kind. It's more oaky, woodsy kind of smelling.
But it's got a decent amount of black fruit on the nose too.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it is a grape still, so.
Yeah. Well, let's taste it.
Fruitiness.
Ooh, that's good. I do get like kind of fall leaves kind of ness to it. A little funk on the end too.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's kind of one-dimensional for me though. Like it's not super complex.
It's definitely not the best Bordeaux we've had.
No.
And got a little bit of acidity and tannin bite on the end.
Yeah.
Which
it's not super strong.
I'm wondering if this is gonna help with that.
Yes.
So.
Ooh. I'm ready to try this out. Yeah. Let me
Finish what you got. All right. So let me try this here. Whoa.
like hold this.
Hold on. Let's do a little. I think it could be a little bit more stable. So.
Is everything secured all the way?
Everything's everything's in there.
Okay.
This would be interesting after a few
drinks.
Yeah.
Doing this again. And it said you can shake it to
shake what?
Shake this to let the drips come out. Yeah.
All right, so there's two air ports on both sides that kind of draw air in as the wine comes down. That's a really interesting design there.
All right, do mine.
I did notice it definitely did seem like it drew a lot of air into the wine as you pour.
Mm-hmm.
And you can just hear those bubbles.
Yeah.
Interesting to see on the taste test if this makes a difference.
Okay.
All right, sniffy sniff. Not much different on the nose. Although we were twirling it as we were sniffing it both times, so that's going to be pretty similar then. Opening up the bouquet. All right, let's taste it. So it did cut back on the tannins. So it does help aerate. I gotta say that. But is there that much difference? I wouldn't say so. I would
At least not for this particular one.
not for a really young wine, it would be great. If you wanted to drink something fast. But honestly, I get a lot more out of actually decanting my wine for about 30 minutes to an hour for more bolder wine. I get the same thing, if not even more difference there, of smoothing out some of the flavors and adding some balance. I'm gonna have to try this out with more different types of wines.
Right.
But if you need something aerated fast, or if you just don't really want to decant, or
if you don't have the time to decant.
if you don't have
if you have like people coming over in 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes or something, and you're like, oh, I forgot to put out the wine, like this is a great option, I guess, to.
And I think it's a pretty cool display piece and a conversation piece.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I think that if you get the right wine, you might really be able to tell a difference. I think this particular one probably I don't think it has a lot that you can.
I mean, visually, you can tell it is incorporating air into the wine.
Yeah.
There's a lot of bubbles when the wine's coming out. It's a really cool design. So it's definitely aerating your wine. There's no doubt about that. And if you're someone that's kind of more a convenience factor and you don't want to have a huge decanter to clean all the time, this is definitely a shortcut.
Oh, yeah. Not that cleaning a decanter is that hard, because we do have a video on how to clean your decanter.
We do.
But yeah, this is definitely a lot easier. It's just bloop, one piece.
Yeah.
Wipe off the bottom.
If you're looking to pick up this piece right here, we'll leave a link down in the description where you can find it on Amazon.
And also, if you do like to travel, this would be a lot easier to just throw in that little bag and the box and take this with you versus, you know, a big glass decanter that's usually oddly shaped. So this would be great if you
That's a good
are,
point.
you know, traveling somewhere and you want to have that option.
You can store it
is that
in
a
this.
little resting?
Yeah, it's a little resting thing.
Resting dock, can they see that?
Yeah, it's got this little resting dock in there.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall, I think it's a really cool design. They make pour spouts that pretty much use the same technique that screw on the top of a bottle or fit on top of the bottle. So it's a pretty well-known design, and it's a really cool, I don't know, it's a really cool way to pour your wine.
Yeah, it's fun. It makes your wine experience more like interactive, I guess, to have something to do while you're drinking your wine. All right, so we're talking about wine. Might as well talk about the California Wine Club. There's never been a better time to have wine delivered straight to your door than now, while we're still in this social distancing era. Right now, well, we'll give you the best hookup in the description. We'll have a link there to get you whatever the best deal is right now. But we have enjoyed having 2 reds and 2 whites sent to our home, and it makes a great gift if you are looking to give someone, a wine lover in your life, something for Christmas. Give them this wine club subscription. It's a great way to try different wines that are from California, especially if you're on the East Coast like us and you don't have a lot of family-owned mom and pop kind of places from California to try. So it's a great way.
It's one of the highest rated wine clubs out there as well.
And their customer service is great. We can't say enough about that. They were always super accommodating whenever we needed something. So make sure you guys check that out. Also, make sure that you guys check us out on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and on Instagram. We're in all of those places. Great content.
Yeah, make sure you guys give us a thumbs up if you like this content as well. It just helps the YouTube algorithm put our faces in front of more people on YouTube. And
if you're interested in this aerator, we will also leave a link in the description for a promo deal that we have for that as well.
Oh yeah, if there's a promo deal on it, definitely pick that up in the description below. Yep. And leave a comment, guys, with what you guys use for aeration or for decanting. Do you have a favorite decanter? Or do you just, you know, pop the bottle open, leave it open for a while? We do that sometimes as well. Or do you just not care and you just drink it straight up the way it is?
You just drink it straight out of the bottle.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of wines that, I mean, they don't need really much aeration or decanting, but a lot really benefit from it. So.
All right. Well, we are looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time,
bottoms up.